This video is about brewing makgeolli at home with a rice cooker. For those of you who don't know, makgeolli is a brewed Korean rice-based alcohol. Here's what you'll need. Big bowl. Strainer. 5 cups of rice. 1 liter distilled or filtered water. Containers with a seal. Nuruk. Gloves. Basic measuring equipment. Here's how you start. Rinse the rice. Gently. Rinse again. And again. And again. And again. Rinse until the water is clear. Don't worry too much about overdoing it. Clear-ish. Soak the rice for 2 hours. Lightly cover it. Drain the rice. Steam for 20 minutes. Pro tip, if your rice cooker does not have a steam setting, cook only the rice partially. You don't want it to be all the way cooked.
취사가 완료되었습니다.
Cool the rice on a surface to cool off. I like to use parchment paper, sterilized, washed, sterilized ladle to help spread. Spread the rice gently, evenly across the surface. You don't want to break the rice up. Cool the rice down for about an hour. While you wait for the rice to dry, mix nuruk and water. Make sure all your equipment is clean. Sit out to dry. Make sure it's completely dry. Since I'm splitting the nuruk between 2 different containers with the rice, I split them 3/4 cups between the 2 containers. Same thing with distilled or filtered water. 1 liter between both, 500. Wait 1 hour. Add the rice to the nuruk water mix. Stir well. Cover and seal. Store in a cold, dark place, ideally around 65 degrees Fahrenheit. For the first 3 days, stir twice a day. 4. 3 days. After you're done sealing, put it back in your cold, dark area of your house and wait. Monitor your progress over the next few days. You know when it's done when the bubbles stop rising. It means the reaction is slowing down. I haven't opened this in 7 days. You're about to see what's been going on with the makgeolli. Here's how you strain. Filter bag. bowl. Makgeolli. Get it all out. Transfer from your bowl to your container. Refrigerate. Next, taste test to make sure you aren't going to poison your friends and family. You can either drink it just as it is in a cup after shaking it up, or you can do the optional approach, which I'm about to do. Kettle. Shake. Add makgeolli, seltzer water, sparkling water, whatever you want to call it. Your mother-in-law's meishu. Mix. Drink alone because your wife's pregnant. And that's how you make makgeolli with a rice cooker. Good luck!